Every once in a while, Toyota reveals something that resets expectations. Not with numbers or specs, but with presence. This is the Toyota GR GT, a brand new performance concept revealed during Toyota Gazoo Racing's global premiere. No horsepower claims, no engine details, just pure design, direction, and intent. And today on HighEnd Motors, we break down everything Toyota officially showed and nothing they didn't. Toyota's GR division has grown into a global performance identity, from the GR Yaris to the GR Corolla and modern Supra. Each one represents the same philosophy: engineering first, hype second. The GR GT is the next expression of that philosophy, a forward-looking concept with roots in Toyota's racing heritage. Toyota only revealed the exterior silhouette, but even that was enough to ignite the entire automotive community. The form is long, sleek, and low, a true performance proportion with a dramatic hood line. The LED strip across the rear gives the GR GT a futuristic presence, while the sculpted side profile hints at aerodynamic optimization. Toyota did not show the interior, and they did not confirm production details. Everything we know is what we saw: a bold shape that opens a new chapter for GR design. Toyota has not revealed the engine, platform, drivetrain, or performance numbers. No speculation, no assumptions. The GR GT remains a design-led concept for now. What is clear is Toyota's intention: a performance-focused layout, a GT-inspired stance, and a presence that feels built for speed. This section is where many channels mislead. But here at HighEnd Motors, we do not guess. We only report what Toyota confirmed. Toyota did not reveal the interior of the GR GT concept. No cabin shots, no materials, no seating layout. This concept reveal was strictly exterior and identity-focused. We stick to official details. Only Toyota did not present specific features or tech packages. The GR GT is a design concept, not a production spec sheet. The reveal focused on aerodynamic direction, surface language, GR performance identity, visual presence. That's all Toyota officially shared. Since this is a concept reveal, Toyota did not provide any ride or handling information, but the proportions, long hood, low stance, wide posture visually suggest a high-performance orientation. Again, no speculation, only interpretation of the revealed design. Toyota has not announced pricing, production plans, or market placement. This concept may evolve, change, or transition into a future model, but Toyota did not confirm anything. We report only what's official. The Toyota GR GT is more than a teaser, it's a message. A statement that Toyota is building a shape, a vision, and a direction for its next era of performance engineering. It isn't defined by specs, yet it's defined by ambition. And here at HighEnd Motors, we'll follow every official update as this concept evolves. If you want more clean, honest, cinematic breakdowns just like this, make sure to subscribe to HighEnd Motors. We don't speculate, we deliver verified automotive insight. Stay tuned, the GR era is just beginning.